Hello guys, for today I prepared a great video where we will learn how to reuse something that most people call rubbish. Now you might wonder, why should I do that when I can get all the vegetables I need at the grocery store? My three reasons are that I can save some money because I can reuse the same vegetables several times. The second one is that I always have fresh vegetables with a great taste when I need them without any poison or anything on them. And last but not least, I can do something good for the climate, because my vegetables won't need any transport from further or closer away. But that's only my opinions. You might have different reasons. So let's continue and I'll show you how the regrowing works. Also, our ginger needs a preparation. So we need ginger for it. It should be around 5 centimeters long. Then a small bowl and some water. So now what we must do is just put the ginger in the bowl, fill it up with water, and let the ginger soak for about one night to get the power and the energy back, and then we can plant it. To regrow an onion, we need an onion, of course. So then we cut it off on the bottom, and leave cut it off about 1/3. And then take the part with the roots and put it into water, into a small bowl of water for a couple of days. And then you can see that the roots will regrow, which I have already prepared. So here's my bowl. And here are the roots. This one is in the water for 4 days or something. And you can see the roots are much bigger than before. And we do this for a couple of days and then we can plant it. To grow our own garlic, we need of course some garlic. And what we are going to do is we must take the clusters apart and peel the first paper skin off, but not the thin one. The thin one is alright, only the small skin. Now we're going to do the same with the leek, like with the carrot. We take the leek and cut a little bit more of it as usual, so about, again, 5 centimeters or so. Cut this piece off with the roots already. With the celery, it's the exactly same thing like with the leek and the carrots. We're taking the bottom part of the leek, leaving about, or cutting it up 5 centimeters about. So, and now we must peel off the first row of the leaves. That the water can go into the leek, and as you can see, there are already fresh green, lightly green leaves inside which want to grow. So now when we now place it in the soil, this one will grow out, and it will grow and grow and grow, and we will have again celery in a couple of weeks. For our project potato, we need a potato, of course. And luckily my one already started to grow. But if you don't have one which has already started to grow, you can just take a normal potato, put it in the earth and let it grow. But what I'm going to do is I will dice a little bit and make it a little bit smaller. So cut it about in the half. And now it's ready to plant. Okay, let's do the spring onion. What we must do for the spring onion? Just cut it off a little bit higher, and then the easy thing, a carrot. What you must do is cut a little bit more off from the top than as usual, so that we can plant it this way with the green stuff up in the earth or in the soil. What we now need is our tomato to get a tomato in the garden. Okay. It's not that hard, we only need a slice the tomato. It's about 5 mil what we need, and you cut it through the diameter. That's it. And as you can see, it's full of seeds all the way around here. So we only need to take this one, put it in the earth. Okay, let's continue with the onion. What we must do for the onion, we need a little hole. Take the soil out. Take the onion, place it in the soil. Put the soil around the onion. Maybe let it look outside a little bit. The top of the onion. So, and that's it. Need this little garlic, and need to put this flat area down, so that this one where this small leaf thing comes already out is up on the top, and just push it in the earth. The good thing is with garlic, you can plant it all the year around, so frost doesn't matter for the garlic. As soon as the earth is open and not frozen anymore, you can use it, plant it, and everything is fine. Our prepared potato here. What you need for this one is also a little bit of a hole. Put it in, put the soil on top, and that's it. Spring onion in a little flower pot. So I have here the spring onion. Need a hole again. Need to make a hole again. Put the soil around, push it a little bit down, and that's it. Another flower pot for the carrot. As I mentioned before, we need to put the green side of the carrot up. Push it a little bit down in the earth, push the earth a little bit around, and that's it. Comes our leek. What we need to do is just make a little hole, put it in, put the earth around it on top, just around the leek, and that's it. Celery. We need another hole for it. Put it in. Put the soil around, not on top, just around it. Put it a little bit down. And there's the ginger. I must put the earth a little bit on by side. Put the ginger in. Put soil on top, and everything is fine. Will be the tomato. So we must put a little bit of earth away. Put the slice of the tomato in, put soil on top, and that's that we are watering our vegetables. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I want to wish you fun with watching your own vegetables grow.